to my channel. I'm Veronica and today I'm going to show you what I'm eating in a day. This is actually not everything that I'm eating always, but what I'm actually eating today. So yeah, let's get into the video and enjoy. Today for breakfast I'm having porridge or oatmeal, whatever you want to call it. I actually love having oatmeal or porridge for breakfast. It really fills me up, so that's good. And yeah, so let's go and make it. So what I'm always doing is actually taking oats and put some chia seeds in there. I really like this combination. And then I'm putting a little bit of peanut butter in there because I really like that. And then some oat milk. What else? I absolutely love giving a bit of yogurt in there. I normally have plain yogurt, but this time I have vanilla from Alpro. It's soy yogurt and I absolutely love it. Yeah, just to give it a bit more flavor. I'm mixing it. And now we are doing the topping. Breakfast is done. Look at this. I have, as I said before, porridge with chia seed and a bit of peanut butter. I used oat milk, and after that I have a bit of Alpro vanilla yogurt in there, topped up with banana, blueberries and a bit of peanut butter. Yeah, that's my breakfast food today. Absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm really hungry now. See you later for lunch. So hello back. It's lunchtime right now, and yeah, so I'm going to make my lunch right now. First of all, I'm making a tea because I kind of fancy a black tea right now. And yeah, what will I have today? Well, today I think I will have an avocado toast with a poached egg, and I think maybe even a cheese bread with that, because my father's making always the bread himself, so I really enjoy eating it. So yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch, and you will join me making my lunch, so let's go. I'm not that good at doing it, but at least that one looks good. That's my favorite tea right now, so I'm always having that one. That's actually one of my favorite mugs. I absolutely love it. I got it in Singapore at Universal Studios, and yeah. So one of my tactics to make a poached egg is actually that way. I'm boiling the water, putting the egg in here, and then I'm kind of let it swim in the water, and then this is how it turns out. And now we're giving this on my avocado bread, and it's done. Look at it. How beautiful. So this is gonna be my lunch. So as you can see, here I have my avocado toast, my cheese sandwich, my tea, and one of my absolute favorite desserts. It's from the brand Andros, and yeah, I just love it. And I'm always eating this with some blueberries, already washed them. And yeah, it's gonna be my lunch for today. So I'm going to see you later when I finished lunch and we are back to dinner or snacks. So hello back, I'm going to do my dinner right now, and because I have some leftover noodles I'm going to make pasta with a tomato sauce and olives and stuff like that, and yeah, I'm going to show you what ingredients I'm going to use. So I'm using this chopped tomatoes, some onion left, so I'm going to use that one, and last but not least I have some olives. First of all, I'm chopping off this onion. So yeah, that's my dinner for today. Homemade tomato sauce, topped with olives, a bit of onion and some parmesan. So yeah, that's going to be my dinner, and that's actually everything that I'm going to eat today. Maybe I'm going to have a tea later on, maybe a black one, maybe a green tea. And yeah, I hope you liked it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!